Good morning, students. In this video, we are going to continue with chapter number 4, exercise 4.2. In this type of questions, we will given two diagonals and three sides of a quadrilateral. Here, question number 1 is construct a quadrilateral lift in which Li is equal to 4 cm, If is equal to 3 cm, TL is equal to 2.5 cm. IT is equal to 4 cm and LF is equal to 4.5 cm. As usual, firstly we will draw the rough diagram for this. Suppose the quadrilateral is like this. Here I will draw the diagonals as well. This quadrilateral is left, so I will write here L, I, F and T. Students, here IT and LF are the diagonals, so I will write down the dimensions as well. 4 cm, LI is 4 cm, IF is 3 cm, TL is 2.5 cm, IT is 4 cm and LF is 4.5 cm. So these are the given parameters. From this rough diagram we will draw the given quadrilateral. Now, as from the rough diagram it is clear that firstly we will draw the line segment IT. So here I will draw IT equal to 4 cm. So this is a line segment IT is equal to 4 cm. Now from I will mark an arc of 4 cm and as well as I will write down the steps of construction. These are the steps of construction. Steps of construction. First step is draw a line segment IT is equal to 4 cm. Now we will mark an arc of 4 cm using the compass. 4 cm arc I have to mark, so I will just measure this length as it is also 4 cm. So from I will mark an arc of 4 cm and side by side we will write down the steps of construction. Second step of construction is from I mark an arc of 4 cm. Now next is to mark the arc from T. This is 2.5 cm, so we will open our compass equal to 2.5 cm. This is 2.5 cm and I will mark this arc from T. Now I will extend the previous arc as like this. So this point is T point, sorry, L. This is L. So the third step of construction is from T mark an arc of 2.5 cm intersecting the previous arc at L. Now join I to L and T to L. So we will join these two and the upper triangle will be formed. Now this is 4 centimeter and this is 2.5 centimeter. Now you can see from the dimensions we have IF equal to 3 centimeter and LF is equal to 4.5 centimeter. So from here firstly I will mark the arc from I, then from L. Now I have to firstly mark the arc from I. Before that I would write down the step of construction. Join L to I and T. Now let us mark the arc equal to 3 centimeter from I. Open your compass equal to 3 centimeter. And mark the arc from I. Here I have the arc 3 centimeter and next I have to write down the step of construction, that is from I mark an arc of 3 centimeter. Now from L mark an arc of 4.5 centimeter. This is 4.5 centimeter. Now from L mark an arc of 4.5 centimeter, intersecting the previous arc at F. Now write down the step of construction. From L mark an arc of 4.5 centimeter, intersecting previous arc at F. Now next is to join F to I and T. Now let us join this F to I and T as well as to L. As we have marked the arc from L, so we have joined F to I, L and T. So the next step of construction is join F to I, L and T. And the last step of construction is lift is required quadrilateral. So which is the required quadrilateral constructed. Now second part of this is quadrilateral gold, in which OL is equal to 7.5 centimeter, GL is equal to 6 centimeter, GD is equal to 6 centimeter, LD is equal to 5 centimeter and OD is equal to 10 centimeter. Again, firstly I will draw the rough diagram for this. Like the rough diagram will be like this, and I will write down the names of the vertices. Gold. Here we will write down the dimensions as given in the question. OL is 7.5 centimeter, GL is 6 centimeter, and GD is 6 centimeter, then LD is 5 centimeter, and then OD is 10 centimeter. So here firstly I will draw OD, that is equal to 10 centimeter. So firstly draw a line segment is equal to 10 centimeter, that is OD. OD is 10 centimeter. Students, you can see from the rough figure, if I want to mark this G point, firstly I must know the L point, as DL is the diagonal. So we will draw this triangle first, then we will draw the lower triangle, or you can say that firstly we will draw this lower triangle. You can draw it to the lower side as well as to the upper side. It is not, it doesn't matter what you are, this you are considering this triangle as lower triangle or upper triangle. Now, so firstly I will mark an arc of 7.5 centimeter, and as usual side by side we will write down the steps of construction. Steps of construction. First step of construction is draw a line segment OD is equal to 10 centimeter. Now we have to mark the arc of 7.5 centimeter. So we will open our compass equal to 7.5 centimeter. It would be here 7.5. From O, mark the arc of 7.5 centimeter. So write down the step of construction as well. From O, mark an arc of 7.5 centimeter. Now from D we will mark an arc of 5 centimeter as we are constructing the lower triangle. So this is, I have opened this compass equal to 5 centimeter. So from D I will mark an arc of 5 centimeter intersecting the previous arc at L. Write down the step of construction. Mark an arc of, from D, mark an arc of 5 centimeter intersecting the previous arc at L. Now join L to O and D. Join this L to O as well as to D. Now we got this lower triangle. Now the rest of the dimensions is GD and GL. So we will mark the arcs from D and L. From D we will mark an arc of 6 centimeter, and as well as from L we will mark the arc of 6 centimeter, as both are equal to 6 centimeter. So I will open my compass equal to 6 centimeter. So this is equal to 6 centimeter. From both the vertices, I will mark the arc of 6 centimeter from D, as GD is 6 centimeter, and as well as from L. I will mark these arc like this. They will intersect each other at this point, and this point is point G. Now write down the steps of construction. Fourth step of construction is from D, mark an arc of 6 centimeter. Now fifth step of construction is from L, mark an arc of 6 centimeter intersecting the previous arc at G. Now join G to D. We will join this G to D, G to L, and as well as G to O. Write the step of construction. Join G to D, L and O. And the seventh step of construction is gold is the required quadrilateral. Third part is to construct a rhombus bend in which the two diagonals are given. BN is equal to 5.6 centimeter and DE is equal to 6.5 centimeter. We know that the rhombus has all the sides equal. So here this is bend D, E, B and N, as both the diagonals are given. So this DE is 6.5 centimeter and this BN is 5.6 centimeter. And also we know that the diagonals of the rhombus are perpendicular bisector of each other. So how do we construct it? Firstly, we will draw this line segment DE and we will make the perpendicular bisector of this DE, and ultimately we will get the another diagonal and we will mark the arcs by taking the half of this 5.6, as half of the diagonal will be to the upper side of this diagonal and half will be to the lower side of this diagonal, and we will get the answer. 5.6 divided by 2 will be equal to 2.8. So ultimately we can say that this length will be equal to 2.8 centimeter. So let us start doing the question. Draw a line segment DE is equal to 6.5 centimeter. So here I will draw a line segment of 6.5 centimeter. This is DE 6.5 centimeter, as well as write down the steps of construction. So steps of construction is first step is draw a line segment DE is equal to 6.5 centimeter. Now, secondly, as I told you, the diagonals of the rhombus are perpendicular bisector of each other. So here I will draw the perpendicular bisector of DE. To make the perpendicular bisector, firstly we will open our compass more than half of this DE, as I have opened here, more than half of. So I will mark the arcs from D to the upper side of this line segment and to the lower side as this. And similarly with the same radius, I will mark the arcs from E. It will be intersecting the two arcs like this. Now we will join these two intersecting points and the perpendicular bisector will be constructed. So here write down the step of construction. Second step of construction is construct the perpendicular bisector of DE. You can also name this perpendicular bisector as XY. Name as or take as XY and take this intersecting point as O. Now what we will do, as we know that this is 2.8, half of 5.6 is 2.8. So now I will open my compass equal to 2.8. Now here I will open my compass equal to 2.8 and mark the arcs from the point O on the perpendicular bisector to the upper as well as to the lower side. Now these 2 points will be B and N. Write the step of construction. Third step of construction is from O mark arcs intersecting mark arcs of 2.8 centimeter intersecting perpendicular bisector at B and N. Now join this B to D and E. Also N to D and E. Now join. Fourth step of construction is join B to D and E. Then join N to D and E, and bend is the required rhombus. Bend is required rhombus. So students, this is all about exercise 4.2 completed. Thank you.